Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to answer a question that some of you have been asking me, and also some have asked a different type of question. So the first question that some of you have asked is, what browser do you use and do you like? And the other question that I will try to attempt to answer also at the same time here is one that a lot of people say, hey, what browser should I use? So browsers is a very, very personal thing. So here I've got Opera, Edge, Chrome, Firefox. Plus, I got the demo versions or the beta versions of testing for, Edge, Chromium, Canary, Developer. And of course, a lot of you out there are tempted to ask me, well, what browser do you use? And what's your favorite browser, and should I use that? Browsers are extremely personal. What you use and you like is fine, as long as it's updated regularly to fix the security flaws. What you use is absolutely fine. That's something you need to know. I'm not here to change your mind about what to use as a browser. And everybody has different browsers. Some have testing browsers. Some have different browsers than the regular browsers for a specific reason that is personal to them, privacy concerns, stuff like that. Overall, the browser that you use should be the browser that works with the biggest amount of websites possible, and should be the one that just you're happy to use and you like the interface, and that's it. What I'm a big user of Microsoft Edge. I've been a big user of Edge from the start. I like it. It's fast. It works well. But you see that I have different browsers. A lot of people have been commenting on that. So why do you have so many browsers? Well, first of all, because when I go on the different YouTube channels, I don't want to actually log out and log in to the different channels. I rather have a channel on each browser so that I can actually access quickly the channel I want without having to log out and back in all the time. But the other thing is, I do videos, so I have to have the browsers to actually talk about them, talk about their latest, updates and whatever is happening with those browsers. So, of course, I do videos, and that's why I also have many browsers. Uh, why is Google Chrome so popular? Because, Google has done something, and they've been able to convince people to use it, and that's pretty much it. Google Chrome accounts for more than 65% of browsers out there right now. So that's a big chunk of market share. That means most people are using Chrome. It doesn't necessarily mean because it's the best or not. I get a lot of people always saying, well, because it's the best. It's okay. I mean, it works, and if it does what you want, that's all that is needed. One of the things that is nice with the Chrome browser is if you use Google services, of course, it integrates well with these services. And another example is if you're a YouTuber, YouTube Studio and everything related to that actually loads much faster in Chrome than any other browsers. Makes you wonder why and if Google has something to do with it, but anyways. So it's really dependent on what you do. I use Edge because I like to be different and also because it's synchronized, all the settings and the stuff synchronized between my Windows 10 machines because my sync capabilities are turned on in Windows 10, and I got multiple computers, so I like the fact that all is, synced and transferred to other machines, not just the browser, but all the settings. But if you have a Google Chrome browser, if you use Google Chrome and you have a Google account, you also have the same capabilities. All you have to do is log in to your Google account, which each Google Chrome browser you have in different machines, and it's going to sync everything. So it's not unique to Microsoft Edge. It's every browser has this capability now. So, like I said, the browser you use is the one that you like, and that's mostly the way to think about it. I've never been the guy that says, "Well, why are you using that? You should use this." A lot of people are like that, and it's like, no, they're happy with that. It's okay. But like I said, it's a question of make sure that it's updated all the time so you stay safe. And I would probably say that if you're still using Internet Explorer, it's really, really time to think about using a more modern browser because it's falling behind and Microsoft isn't going to support Internet Explorer forever. Moving on to something else is not a bad idea. It's up to you to decide which browser you like or not. Some have different aspects, different ways of working, so it's just up to you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.